talk about how can you disable missed call notification on your Whoscall app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that to disable this sign. All you have to do, you just go here, go above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. Then all you have to do now, just click here on settings, you just click on it. Then you come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this. Then all you have to do, you just go down here. So you keep going down. Then you come here to missed call notification. Just click in this sign or this color. Like you see color, it's gone. That's mean here missed call notification disable with us now. So that's all you have to do. That's all. Just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.